Dragway. We have been testing and tuning tonight. Done a little grudge racing. Now we're going to do some rides in Ole Heavy. Jamie, what's going on? Everybody's here. Woo!
Hi. What? We went from 40 feet to 2 feet. Got a proper amount of action. It's going to be my last video. Yeah. Hey, if he would have pulled it back up here. I didn't know. I didn't know.
Knoxville Dragway. We have been testing and tuning tonight. Done a little grudge racing. Now we're going to do some rides in Ole Heavy. Jamie, what's going on? Everybody's here. Woo! We are at Knoxville Dragway, guys. It is Friday night. We're testing, tuning. Doing some Ole Heavy rides. Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow's when all the racing starts. I was like, huh? Okay. No. What's up, Chuck? Hello, guys. We got some Ole Heavy rides we're gonna do tonight. Then we'll get back to grudge racing, and tomorrow got some small tire. True Street, Wicked Street, 6-0 index, 7-0 index. There's going to be a bunch of different classes of racing tomorrow. We're here with Outlaw Society in Knoxville Dragway. What is up, guys? Hello, hello.
That's what he wanted to do, was ride in Ole Heavy.
Wow. How was your ride, sir? Let me see. How was the ride? Fantastic. Did you enjoy it? You would do it again, huh?
In a heartbeat.
In a heartbeat. Are you next?
I'll ride all day long with you.
Oh, dang. You're braver than me. Yeah, me too. I don't know about it. What's up, Mississippi? Hey, guys. Hey, Davey.
You sure you want to do this, sir?
Yes, sir.
We've been coming since
Really? That's so awesome. Oh, dang. Man, y'all been from the beginning. Is this your first time getting to ride in Ole Heavy? It's your first time riding in Ole Heavy? Well, you're in for something, man. He's crazy. I don't know. I was about to say a treat, but then I didn't want to lie. Almost done. Give us a few seconds.
I haven't dropped a single.
Good, Brittany?
Yeah.
All right, Dad. I think we're good. Oh, yeah! Hello, Deanie. What's up, Alabama? Where is the queen? Brian, Precious Cooper is here. She's somewhere. Woo! She's somewhere, guys. I gotta find her. She's been around here. I gotta figure out where she is. She's here, at least. Remember, guys, tonight is testing, tuning, grudge racing, VIP party, you know, just hanging out, having a great time, getting our cars right for tomorrow. All of the racing starts tomorrow. There is so many different classes. This is the most classes we've ever had in a race at an arm drop. So make sure you get here. It's free entry to race, and if you have kids, they get in free. The gates are going to open at noon. Drivers meetings will start about 3 o'clock, guys, and we'll be, the track will be hot. We'll be ready to start racing all classes at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Hello, North Carolina. Chattanooga, what's up, guys? Tomorrow's going to be really interesting. I totally agree with you, Jamie. There's so many classes. Literally, there's racing for everyone. In small tire, that's okay. We have True Street, DOT, Street Slick, Wicked Street, I mean 7-0, 6-0. There's everything you can think of tomorrow happening. So there truly is a class for everyone to race in tomorrow. If you got a car, you just better come on out. That's about it. There's something for you. Hello, Indiana. It's Vicky from Texas. What's up, guys? And we'll do our heavy rides tomorrow as well, guys. Hello, hello, Ben. Georgia in the house. What's up, Ricky? It's starting to get a little chilly out here. We're in Knoxville Dragway, guys, Tennessee. We'll be here today and tomorrow. What'd you think, sir? Yes, Pam, Indiana was so much fun. We had a blast in Muncie. It's always good to come back to Indiana. One more. Well, what'd you think, sir? Good? Awesome. Okay, Jamie, you're right. I didn't want to sound like a little titty baby, but it's kind of cold out here. It's okay, though. Hello, Michigan. What's up? What's up, Ohio? Another Ohio. How cool. Hello, Ben. What's going on, guys?
You ready to do it? I'm ready, man. Go.
All right, guys, if y'all can't be here tomorrow, just tune in to Facebook. We're going to try to go live all throughout the day so you can see the different classes that are going to race tomorrow. Give you a little bit of preview of what's going on with small tire, True Street, DOT. There's so many classes. We'll try to go live all throughout the day so y'all can get a piece of the action. I don't know why he's making horse sounds. I ain't really understood that yet. Freaking nutcase. Oh my gosh, Jesus. Are you sure, sir, you want to go down? You hear this man neighing over here?
I hear that.
Yeah, he's strange. That dude's nuts. Oh gosh. Hello, Colorado. Oh, and if you guys are wanting to come to the next arm drop, we are going to be next weekend. Paducah, Kentucky. Yeah, we're going to Paducah, if I'm saying that right. Paducah, Kentucky, next weekend. Friday and Saturday next weekend is in Kentucky, JJ's Arm Drop. So if you want to race and you haven't registered, you can go online, register for free to race. It's going to be $5,000 to win, and it doesn't cost anything to register. So you're losing nothing. Come on out. It's going to be in Kentucky next weekend, guys. If you just want to come out and have fun and hang out with us and everyone, there's going to be free entry for kids as always. So you can bring the whole family, get in for free if you got some kids. We'll be in Kentucky next weekend on Friday and Saturday, guys. So if you haven't got your tickets already, you can buy them online. If you buy them online, you save some money. I think you get like a $5 or $10 discount for purchasing advance online. If you want to wait till you get at the gate to purchase them, you can purchase them at the gate in Kentucky as well. Same thing as tomorrow. So tomorrow, if you want to come to Knoxville Dragway tomorrow, you don't have to buy your tickets online. There's still tickets available at the gate. So if you're just now finding out and you're figuring out, hey, I want to come down to Knoxville, don't worry, just come to the gate. You can get your tickets right there at the gate. Jamie, change the small tire and come on out. Come on, Jamie, I know you can change that baby into some small tires. Tell Jamie to just put his car on small tires and he can come.
Jamie, put your car on small tires, or we can find you a dress to wear.
Oh! I did not say that, Jamie, and I did not tell him to say that. That was all on him, not me.
That was all on me, Jamie.
Yeah, I'm not taking no credit for that one. That was it. Woo! Hello, hello. All right, guys, we're going to finish up some grudge racing coming up next. Going to test these cars. But remember, if you want to come out tomorrow, gates will open at noon. Racing will probably kick off around 5 p.m., so you got plenty of time to come out and get your tickets at the gate. We'll see ya soon.